Ahoy, mateys, welcome aboard.
It's time for
More with Kinetic Sand. In today's episode, we're setting sail on a voyage for an island's treasure.
So if you're ready to scavenge for some gold
And discover new worlds.
don't click away. Carter, what's the pirate's favorite letter of the alphabet?
Hey, it'd be the R he loves.
You'd think so, but it is the C he loves.
This is the Kinetic Sand treasure hunt. Let's see if you can discover what's hidden inside.
Oh my god.
Wait, it's where you get the key to open it. That's cool.
Oh wow. Wait, is this upside down?
Unlock a golden surprise.
How do I get this? Kirby.
It's a map.
Kirby!
Now we're gonna dig. See.
How did you get there? Oh, I see something.
Whoa! Okay, so I got an
Is
octopus.
that the...
Oh, I feel something. It's a sword. Let's see.
There's something at the bottom. That's a good one. Got 3 things.
So I took out all this. Whoa! It's a shark. And there's like gems inside.
How do I use... Oh, my god. Okay. Lower that.
This is really cool.
Let's make our own Kinetic Sand treasure hunt board game. Carter, Kirby, this is the Kinetic Sand treasure hunt board game. You'll work together to navigate your castle across the map to reach the red X, where you'll find buried treasure. Taking turns, you'll roll the dice, triggering a trivia question or Kinetic Sand challenge. If you get it right, you will advance. If you get the question wrong, your teammate will receive the same question on their turn.
Can we play now? 6.
Why doesn't Kinetic Sand ever dry out?
Because it's sand. What?
1.
Why doesn't Kinetic Sand ever dry out?
Because it just doesn't dry out.
The correct answer is magic.
I pretty much said that.
My turn.
3.
Name 3 Kinetic Sand colors.
Red, orange, yellow.
Gosh, there's no orange. 2.
Name 3 Kinetic Sand colors.
Red, green, and black.
Fantastic, Kirby. You got it!
What?
In order to advance, you'll need to build a bridge to cross the water. What was the theme of the first More with Kinetic Sand episode?
Oh, I know it.
Zen.
Five.
Who makes kinetic sand?
I don't know.
5.
Who Who makes kinetic sand?
Spin Master.
5.
If you do not get this.
Before you are 2 black kinetic sand cubes containing mystery colors. One of them is blue. Slice through the cube, get blue, and you may advance.
Yay!
Okay, so we get to dig.
Coins. Are these real?
They are real.
Let's make an Easter Island art piece.
Kirby, if you could sail anywhere in the world, where would you go?
Probably Mars.
The world, Kirby.
I guess I was a little distracted thinking about what's coming up next week. Next week we're getting visited by aliens. You won't want to miss it. That's it for today's episode of
More with Kinetic Sand. We'll see you next time. Bye.